is Laura Feralda Melati Restuati. Now I would like to tell you a little bit of introduction of sociolinguistics. Here is my mind mapping. Okay, the first, I would like to tell you about what is sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of language in relation to society. It studies how social factors influence the structure and use of language. And in sociolinguistics, there is a language variety. Language variety refers to the various forms of language triggered by social factors. And in sociolinguistics, consists of two different social factors. The first part in sociolinguistics, in social factors, there is three things is registers, pidgin, and creole. Okay, the first register is varieties of language used in different situations which are identified by the degrees of formality. Second one is pidgin. Pidgin is a mixed language with a small vocabulary and a simple grammar used by speakers of two languages to communicate. So it is also called contact language. The last one is creole. Creole is different from pidgin. Creole language serves as the first language for speakers. When a pidgin begins to acquire native speakers who use it as their primary language, the pidgin turns to be a creole. The process by which a pidgin develops is called pidginization. But the process by which a pidgin becomes a creole is called a creolization. That was the first social factors. The second one, I have a dialects. So, what is dialects? Dialects is a variety of a language used recognizable in a specific region or by a specific social class. The study of dialect is called dialectology. And in dialect is divided to some parts. The first, there is a regional or geographical dialects. It is varieties of a language spoken in a geographical area. And geographical dialects is divided into some parts. The first is speech community, is a group of people sharing one given language or dialect. Second one is sociolects, is related to formality of speech, are categorized as high and low society. And the last one is the formal speech, is the higher sociolects and the informal lower sociolects. After regional or geographical dialects, there is divided to some parts. There is the last part in dialect is temporal dialects, social dialects or sociolects, idiolects, and accent. So, what is temporal dialects? Temporal dialects is varieties of a language used at particular stages in its historical development. And social dialects or sociolects is varieties of a language used by people belonging to particular social classes. Idiolects is varieties of a language used by individual speakers with peculiarities of pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. And the last one is accent. This term refers to phonological variation. Accent is those about pronunciation, while dialects is a broader term encompassing syntactic, morphological, and semantic properties as well. I think it's enough about introduction of sociolinguistics. I hope we can meet again in another time and see you. Thank you for watching.